We can all make an impact on the societies we live in and shape them into the world we want to live in. You have hopes, dreams, ideas? IE University is an environment where you will experience a unique personal transformation through an inspiring and challenging education that will enable you to play a leading role in shaping the world. IE University is a prestigious institution recognized for its academic excellence worldwide. Our students who approach learning as a way of life value the personalized educational experience they receive, which allows them to build their own points of view. We offer a student-centered education which understands who you are and who you want to become, and guides you as you follow your individual path to success. Our programs are flexible and adapt to your professional and personal aspirations. As a student of IE University, you are different, and you are expected to share your differences, ideas, and potential from day one. Our diverse community of students and faculty come from over 70 different countries, creating a unique international environment with an outlook that is open to the world and to what it means to be a global citizen.